Miami Vice, you feel me? Cubicano to that Cuban Poppy, you're talking about? Fuck with me, man. What's up with fam bam? We back at it again. Part 2, Miami Metropolitan of the United States. Y'all I'm talking about. Man, last episode you seen it, we went through the town, went to the beaches, you know what I mean? Met up with Mr. Goddammit, set some facts, set some content. We gonna set some things, get him back to the Bay Area. Stay tuned for that content. But yeah, in the meantime, man, I'm on my Miami Vice, Chico Papi. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna step outside tonight, see what that nightlife has to offer. And then tomorrow I'm about to wake up and hit Fort Lauderdale, hit that Sunday brunch. You know what I'm talking about? I heard that's where everything is at. So y'all sit back and relax and let's get to it. 304 on there, cause it's always out here in 304. Right there, 304. I ain't gonna lie, nigga, it's raining. And it's hot on this bitch. Hot as the hooker's whorehouse in Texas. Humid, but it's raining in this bitch. Idiot talking smack and I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting a little Cubicano out here, yeah, I'm talking about. Nah, but it's raining though. Weather report. We just made it to Sunday brunch out here in Fort Lauderdale, and as you can see, this is where the culture is at. Yeah, so we got the good live music, good vibes going on. I'm about to get a few drinks going, and then we got this brunch coming up, so I can't wait to eat. I want to see how they food is. Yeah, everything is cooked, man. I'm hungry. About to get hangry in a minute. But y'all sit back, man, and enjoy the content for the masses. Come to Fort Lauderdale, make sure you tap into the backyard, man. That's how they get down, backyard brunch. Hey, backyard brunch. Hey, happy holidays. Hey, backyard brunch, man. We from Cali, man.
Welcome to BB Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
A little bit of grill.
Ooh, what's grill?
Pork.
Okay. Happy she just in food, start acting up.
Grill.
Yeah, we trying to taste everything, man. We from Cali. Yes, sir. That's enough. Yeah. What's that?
Confident.
Focus trip? Yeah. I'll try it. Come on, we on everything. backyard brunch. I give y'all a shout out, man. That shit was cracking. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. So we about to go hit the beach of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, see what's going on, see how it's looking. And it's giving real good vibes. I'm not gonna lie. So far, Florida is giving me a little better vibe than Miami. But we about to go hit this beach. And then later on, I'm gonna go hit Little Havana. You know, I gotta go get some food again, see what's going on. I gotta get all the culture. I gotta see all the festivities. But yeah, man, y'all sit back and enjoy. Let me know how y'all feeling in the comments. I'm gonna stop and get a few drinks with the fan bam and catch the rest of this game. This Niner game going on. So I'm about to watch the rest of this game, get some shots. And I seen this nice little club slash bar slash lounge. So you know how to go in there and get some content and see how the vibes was. Shout out to the bartender. She was taking care of me. She was getting me ripped during the game. You see we putting it on Philly. Damn, fucked around. Put me behind the wheel. Look at these slump ass niggas. These niggas are done. And we still gotta go to another motherfucking party. Look, she over there. I ain't gonna go to sleep. Slumped. We made it to the next location. As you can see, the first one was kind of bunk, but after the Niners had to put the smackdown on Philly, we decided to do it moving. So we did it moving to one of the popular nightclubs downtown, and you see we in that thing having fun. So sit back, enjoy the views, enjoy the content. I'll be back at you in a second. That's the trip, man. That last ball bat in if I catch these flights. Hey, Miami, it was good too. Fort Lauderdale, I'm fucking with you. I'm coming back. The rest of Miami, Florida, see that. Fucking little Haiti the hood. Shit, look at it. Ain't like, nigga, these niggas gonna do videotaping us, nigga. Little Haiti, nigga, that's what we videotaping. Slum Lord. They try to make it like a little Welcome to Little Havana, man. Welcome. Test this food out. Oh, my bad. I heard the sandwiches are hella good. Coconuts. Oh, you know we gotta tag their ass one time. You know we got to.
So pretty much they name
Where we eating at?
Chicken and
just so you know where we are, I'm talking about. That's that shredded steak. That's the Cubicano oxtails. That's that chicken, you feel me? Then they got some chicken over there. More steak and chicken. You feel me? See where it's at. OG always fucking that shrimp. Fucking shrimp too, man.
This is so salty.
what? Is it? That's so loud.
Morning, Havana. Yes. Look at that sky. That's Little Lambo. There we got here, man. There we got here. We all black parted out. Like it. Just like niggas, they got a whole domino section. I got a straight park. That's dope. The domino park. Hey. Fuck with 'em. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in and watching the channel. Miami, I appreciate y'all. Y'all treated me well. Mexico, goddammit, I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We got some more content. If y'all like this content, man, make sure y'all watch these.